The iPhone 16 series launch. After the 5 months, but right now we have our first real look of the iPhone 16 lineup. Apple have finalized the design of the iPhone 16 series. First, we talk about the iPhone 16 base model and iPhone 16 Plus. According to the official factory CAD information, we have vertical camera arrangement in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. When we talk about the design of the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, Apple has decided to use the same design in the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, which he used in the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. So yeah, it seems like the fidget spinner design and the VIX design may not happen in the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max, and one new physical change come for all iPhone 16 models, and that is new capture button, which you can use capture photos and videos. As for the front design, we're due to get the slimmest bezels on any iPhone ever. On the front of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we getting a 6.9-inch display size, and the 16 Pro come with a 6.3-inch display screen size. A new camera sensor come with iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, probably the largest main camera sensor on any iPhone ever, but also the biggest, and improve the resolution ultra-wide-angle sensor upgrade with the new camera upgrade. On the iPhone 16 Pro Max, we can record the 8K video, and we have some colors leaks related. The iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And here is what we can see apart from the minor design changes and, as you know, iOS 18. Come with the iPhone 16 series. It is powered by AI, and it is most customizable iOS version. So it's all if you like my video. Give a thumbs and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.